To our esteemed guest of honor, Dr. Maria Cynthia Rose Banson Bautista, to the Dean of the Asian Center, Dr. Henelito A. Sevilla Jr., to the Dean of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, Dr. Ruth Lusterio Rico, to the Dean of the College of Arts and Letters, Dr. Jimwell Sinabal, to all our professors, staff, family, and friends, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. Being a student of the University of the Philippines, especially as an Asian Center student, I've come to realize that it's not been an easy voyage. Sailing through the rough waves of emotions and wild storms of requirements, you learn to push through all of it. Perseverance and tenacity are skills needed for ChemDol, a word in Ibali meaning pushing through in life. What I've learned in my almost 6 years here, and I'm sure my fellow graduates have as well, is to embrace every step, cherish every victory, and learn from every defeat. Obstacles will definitely come our way, but as mga scholar ng bayan, this is something we should welcome with open arms, because this is what our professors taught us to learn to take in stride. Obstacles are meant to test our resolve and leave us stronger and wiser. And as we are all aware, life gives us challenges all the time. During our time at the Asian Center, the world went through a lot. The pandemic, of course, disrupted not just our studies, but also everyone's lives. It is a miracle that we are all gathered here today, the worst now being in the rearview mirror. Those difficult years, however, will never be forgotten. They will be with us for the rest of our lives. But the pandemic, as tragic as it was also a time of opportunity, a time for us to reflect on our lives and aspirations. It served as a much-needed reset to make us think about what we are doing now and what we have in mind for the future. A time for us to know what we want to accomplish and how we can reach our goals with what we have today. Taguyod, a Tagalog word meaning support, is something we definitely know how to do. One of the biggest responsibilities as an ISCO is to serve the country, support the Filipino people in their process to becoming better people of our nation. Social awareness is a way to support our compatriots. Some of my fellow students can attest to this, doing field work in the most remote and indigent sectors of society. Seeing how people have suffered, often out of circumstances beyond their control. Not one person's story is the same, but many share the same theme. Being left behind by a changing world. As graduates of the Asian Center, with all our papers, theses, defenses, and others behind us, the question now is, now what? We've all heard of that famous Spider-Man quote, with great power comes great responsibility. And that is exactly what we, mga ISCO, have to take seriously. Should we let all our academic achievements take up dust in our libraries and homes, or be hidden away, lost in our computer files? No. As graduates of the National University, we must make sure that every path, every obstacle, and every curve in our journey does not reach its finish line today. We should not let our hard work, the work we spent countless hours working on, and sometimes even crying about, go to waste, because there is no finish line. The real race is only beginning. As we chase a goal that seemingly gets farther and farther every day, we have to do what we can to make our mark in society. It can be through something grand, or even something simple. What matters is we do what is right. Today is not the end. It is merely the start of a new journey, a journey reminiscent of our ancestors who sailed the seas in search of trade and opportunity. Just as our forebears used the tools and knowledge they developed over the years to overcome obstacles, we know that the real work is ahead of us. We have to use what we have learned here at the Asian Center to chase that never-ending finish line in pursuit of a better Philippines and indeed a greater world. On behalf of the graduating class of 2024, I would like to thank our friends and family, who have supported us in our academic journey. Kayo ang nagpatuyot sa amin. Thanks to our professors who helped me push through this adventure. Salamat sa pagturo ng KEPDOL sa amin. The word gratitude is not enough to perfectly describe how we feel towards all of you. After intense years of fieldwork and studies, we'll finally have the chance to celebrate our hard work paying off because of all of you. Now, I speak to you, my fellow graduates. You've supported each other in every step of this road. Our experiences together help in enriching our lives. From countless discussions offline and online, to travels far and wide, whether it be closer to home or perhaps somewhere a little more exotic. And finally, the many potlucks we've shared in the classrooms of the GT Toyota Asian Center and elsewhere in the hallowed halls of the UP Diliman campus. Personally, I will cherish all the memories I've made with you together. Congratulations to us, the graduating class of 2024. Mabuhay ang mga scholar ng bayan.